Hello everyone, welcome to my monthly plan with me. Today I'm going to be using this gorgeous kit from LexieKyleeDesigns. I love her monthly kits. The paper that she uses is so buttery soft, it's gorgeous. You would choose between a checklist sidebar or a decorative sidebar. I'm all for the checklist. And this is her yearly holiday sheet with all the holidays in the year. She launches this every year, love it. And I am using some extra bill due stickers. I absolutely adore everything in her shop. The planner I am using is the Erin Condren vertical planner binder. I love being able to unhook the pages and stick the stickers freely without getting caught in the coil, but I am going back to my regular coiled version next year. Old habits die hard. And I got my Halloween nails on already a little early, but I love this month. I did a dip powder with a Maniology Halloween nail stamping kit. I'll go ahead and link it below. So let's get started. I'm gonna jump in and get planning. I'm laying down my sidebar right now, and really these sidebar checklists are what keep me productive all month long. Every week I'll come in and take a glance and realize what goals I need to catch up on. It's like a quick brain dump for me on all the tasks that I need to focus on. I'm setting down all of my stickers right now. This is my favorite part. It's so relaxing. I love coming in every month and just laying these down, getting all of my ideas in one place. So tell me in the comments, do you plan your month? How do you do it? Do you like planning with stickers, or do you just like being practical and maybe color coding, or just writing everything down, which is absolutely perfect? I am a little extra. For me, I feel like stickers give me a more productive edge because they're pretty and I can use them on anything. So let me know in the comments how you feel about planning with stickers. So right now I'm laying down my date dots. I like to break my checklist into sections, like what is the most important thing, what I need to focus on this month. For work, I kind of have more like projects of my own, not work as such. And then don't forget just little things, you always have those little things that you forget during the month. So it's nice to just come back and have them somewhere. Now I'm laying down my days of the week. I like using these different labels for certain things. Like I'll use the thin labels for bill dues and more chunky labels for birthdays in the month. I have a lot of birthdays this month, my mom's, my nephew's. So I love using these cute bill due icons. Bills are no fun, but at least they're tolerable by making them cute. So I enjoy this. This booklet is my sticker book. So when I get freebies or have leftover stickers, I place them here to use them later on. I try to keep these freebies in a place where I can see them because it's so easy to forget, where you leave they're very little sheets, and just being able to come back to them. I really appreciate all the sticker shops that give them away. So I keep them here. And these are some GP Sticker Studio fitness stickers. RIP GP Sticker Studio. I don't know about you guys, but I loved her shop so much. And when she closed it down, I was so sad. So I really try to just use them on special occasions only. In this case, this was such a beautiful spread that I thought I could splurge on. So I used my favorite stickers. I'm writing everything down now, and I have something exciting coming up this month. I'm going to have like a Halloween symphony concert. So I want to mark that down on my calendar as a date night. Also, Weird Al Yankovic is coming to town, so I wanted to mark that down as well. Super excited. So here it is. Just adding a few finishing touches, other things that I need to remember to do. And this is how it turned out. October is such a fun month, and adding these decorative elements sure makes me excited to be productive. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like videos like this, productivity, plan with me, goal setting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to stay optimized and organized. Goodbye. See you next time.